In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy iCloud storage using Jazzcash, and we'll do it all in about 5 minutes. Now, if you've ever struggled with managing your cloud storage, or just need more space for your files, photos, and apps, this guide is perfect for you. We'll break it down step by step, ensuring you can follow along easily and get your iCloud storage upgraded in no time. First things first, let's ensure you have enough balance in your Jazzcash account. Open your Jazzcash app and load your account with an adequate amount of funds. This will cover the payment you'll make for the iCloud storage plan you choose later on. If you're not sure how to load your account, typically you can do this by transferring funds from your bank account or visiting a nearby Jazzcash agent. Once your Jazzcash account is loaded, the next step is to transfer this balance to your virtual card through the app. The virtual card acts like a regular debit or credit card, allowing you to make online purchases, so it's crucial that it has the necessary balance. With your virtual card funded, let's move on to integrating it with your Apple ID. On your iPhone, navigate to the Settings app, tap on your name at the top of the Settings menu, which takes you to your Apple ID settings. From here, select Payment and Shipping. Now tap on Add Payment Method. This is where you'll input your virtual card details. Carefully enter your card number, expiration date, and security code. Remember, you need a valid billing address for this part. Depending on your card, you can use a local address within Pakistan or a US address. Ensure all your details are correct to avoid any errors during payment processing. With your payment method set up, you're ready to purchase more iCloud storage. Again, open your Settings app, tap your name and select iCloud. Scroll to Manage Storage and tap Change Storage Plan. Here you'll see a variety of options based on how much storage you need, from 50 GB to 2 TB. Choose the plan that suits your needs best. After selecting your plan, confirm your purchase. Your Apple ID will then charge your virtual card, executing the payment from the balance you prepared earlier. And there you have it, you've successfully bought additional iCloud storage using Jazzcash. This increase in storage offers a seamless experience for storing your important documents, photos, and much more. Remember to periodically check your iCloud usage to ensure you're maximizing your storage effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in managing your digital storage needs more efficiently. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need to refresh your cloud storage management skills. Until next time, have a great day managing your tech smartly.